You ever go to sleep at night and have these awesome plans, what you're gonna do in the morning? You're like, we're gonna wake up bright and early, go hike up to this awesome mountain, have these awesome views. Well, we got like no sleep last night, so we're gonna go do an easy trail today instead. So with the lack of sleep, where are we going to today, Deanna?
The New River Trail in Virginia.
And it's by a river. It's called the New River, and it's a trail. Well guys, we made it to Shot Tower Historical State Park, right by the interstate. Well, there is the Shot Tower. Let's see how much we gotta pay here. Looks like $7. For over 30 years, the Jackson Ferry Shot Tower manufactured ammunition for a growing nation. It remains as a token of an era long gone, standing as the symbol of America's industrial sovereignty. The tower stands 75 feet tall with a shaft in the center that goes an additional 75 feet into the ground, which made the total drop 150 feet, the necessary height to perform a perfect round ball. That's pretty cool. Inside the Shot Tower here, smells a little musty, like it's old or something. So this trail is fairly simple, which is why we're taking it, but at the very beginning of the trail there is a little bit of a drop to get down to the trail going along the river itself. Horses are allowed on this trail, although not down those stairs, obviously. Apparently this is where Jackson's Ferry used to be, going across the river here. No jumping or fishing from the bridge, Deanna. I think it's fine from this bridge, so we just can't do it from that bridge. So if you can cast over there. Maybe not. Got a beautiful stream going underneath us. Obviously not too difficult of a trail through here. It's pretty much flat once you get down to the trail itself. Eventually I think we will be getting a little bit closer to the river itself. Looks like there's a horse arena out there. A couple barrels.
There should be 3.
Should be 3. Deanna's the horse expert over here. I don't know much about horses. Not too much to show you all yet. There's a bunch of rock formations and stuff along the trail. There's a bunch of trees and stuff between us and the river. Once we get closer to the river, I'll show you all that. Sounds like there might be some falls or something up there. Definitely a lot of falls through here, and I see some kayakers on the river as well. Kind of looks like the falls are a little bit further off that way. That's pretty cool. A little bit of a drop, but it's enough to create those falls. I miss our kayaks. You miss your kayaks?
Yeah, we'll get them back.
This is a pretty cool area here, guys. Just a really slight elevation change, creating all these falls. So it looks to the right of us. This is actually New River State Park here. We hiked from one area to another, and there's some camping over here, some tent camping, and it looks like there might be some RVs off that direction. So definitely some cool camping around this area. How about cell signal for Verizon? I'll get that out here. Download looks good. Upload might be the only thing you struggle with here. Looks like a pretty cool state park. I think this is the first time I could say I hiked to a state park, rather than hiking from a state park to something else. Got some pretty horses over here. And no, we don't really know where we're going. Just kind of checking things out. Now we're just hiking down this road and check out some of these older buildings here. Right by the Foster Falls, I'm assuming camp store or something of that nature. There's an amphitheater down there and a bunch of random barns and horses. Hiking over to the camping area now. Check it out. Tent camping, that is. Getting closer down to the river over here by these falls. Now we're hiking on the other side of the horses. The campground's over here on our right. Kind of looks like you just, I don't know if there's designated sites or not. I don't see any posts in there that have a particular number or anything on them. I'm not sure how they set that up. Beautiful flowers along the way. If you can see them in the shade. Alright, so I finally know the name of it. It's called Millrace Campground. Millrace? It's pretty sweet, guys. Get up right there by the river. Just walk over from our campsite. Some people have hammocks set up right next to the river as well. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but you can actually leave your horses here while you go check out the state park. It's pretty cool. Well guys, we're about back to the shot tower. We probably hiked about 4 or 5 miles total just going through the state park and stuff too to go along with it, but it's all been relatively flat, so been a pretty easy hike. There are some refreshments you can buy in the campground if you didn't pack anything. I don't know what they have in there, we didn't go in there, but we saw some people eating some ice cream at least. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video hiking around New River State Park here in Virginia. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. You can also check us out at
DnSAdventures.com.
And as always,
Adventure on.
then you literally just start pouring the salt in there.